Okay, let me put you on to my favorite new little tool that goes everywhere with me. This mini folding knife from FLISSA is an everyday carry essential you didn't know that you needed, just like I didn't know, but I don't want to go back because it's so handy and so frequently used. It weighs just 0.7 ounces and folds down to only 2.5 inches, but don't let the small size fool you. The thing is sharp. It's durable and it's super handy. It has a stainless steel blade with a 58 to 60 HRC hardness, which means it's incredibly hard and incredibly sharp, and it will hold that sharpness for a long time. It can glide through rope, boxes, tape, fruit, whatever your day is gonna throw at you. It's got a built-in attachment loop, so I just clip it to my bag or keys and boom, it's always within reach. Frankly, mine just really stays on my keys, but if you tossed it in a gym bag or a tool bag, or you wanted to keep it in the glove box of your car or in the center console, you could do that too. It really does come in handy. It's got a bottle opener, so you can always open your dad's root beer when you need it, but honestly, makes a great gift. Sleek, useful, compact. Nobody's gonna not appreciate something like this, even if they're not asking for it. So give it a shot. Once you carry it, you won't go back. I've had a number of FLISSA products, but this one is definitely the most unique. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and I certainly hope this was helpful. Have a great day.